scientists have identified a potential cause of Parkinson's disease that could help lead to treatment of the incurable condition. The debilitating disease affects the brain, damaging parts of the organ as it progresses. Until recently, there has been little scientific explanation on why it occurs in certain people or how it develops. But a new study by the University of Copenhagen has revealed fresh insights into the workings of the brain in Parkinson's patients, uncovering a possible trigger that can make it spread like wildfire. Findings published today in Molecular Psychiatry show that Parkinson's symptoms might ignite from damaged DNA that becomes toxic to the body. Researchers say the groundbreaking discovery is a major development in the understanding of the disease and progression towards future treatments. Parkinson's affects the central nervous system and causes symptoms like difficulty walking, tremors, cognitive challenges, and eventually, dementia. It afflicts over 10 million people worldwide, including Scots comedy legend Billy Connolly, and while there is currently no cure, certain medical treatments can offer relief from its effects. For the first time, we can show that mitochondria, the vital energy producers within brain cells, particularly neurons, undergo damage, leading to disruptions in mitochondrial DNA. This initiates and spreads the disease like a wildfire through the brain, says study lead Professor Shohreh Shahzadeh Navikas. According to the University of Cambridge, mitochondria convert energy to produce fuel for the cells that make up the body, making them a driving force behind cell production. Unlike the rest of the body, they have their own genetic material called mitochondrial DNA. Professor Shohreh Shahzadeh Navikas adds, our findings establish that the spread of the damaged genetic material, the mitochondrial DNA, causes the symptoms reminiscent of Parkinson's disease and its progression to dementia. To come to conclusions, researchers examined both human and mouse brains, discovering that damage to mitochondria in brain cells occurs and spreads when these cells have defects in antiviral response genes. They sought to understand why this damage occurred and how it contributed to the disease. What they found is when mitochondria become damaged, small fragments are released into the cell and become misplaced. It is when they are misplaced that these fragments become toxic, prompting nerve cells to expel them, which causes the symptoms commonly seen in Parkinson's sufferers. Given the interconnected nature of brain cells, these toxic DNA fragments spread to neighboring and distant cells, similar to an uncontrolled forest fire sparked by a casual bonfire, Shohreh Shahzadeh Navikas adds.